Hey guys, back at Dunny Bees April. Right, what we're going to do tonight is we need to check this hive for Varroa, Varroa destructor. It's a mite that affects us honeybees, and what we're going to do, there's a few ways of doing it. There's an alcohol wash you can do, but it kills all the bees and I don't like that. Or there's a sugar shake. So what we're going to do, we're going to try videos doing the sugar shake. And what we do...
Shit, this has come out.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
We get some bees that are on brood, and we need to get about 300 bees. Now the way we do that is we get the cup. Danny, just undo that please. And what we're going to do, we're just going to roll this down here and they'll just fall into it as we roll it down. So if we go like this, we'll get a little bit agitated. And what we're going to do, we're just going to pop them in here.
They're all around me.
There we go. So we've got them in there, so there's roughly about 300, and we're just going to roll them round. You can hear them. Don't cause them any distress this, and it don't kill them. They're actually covered in sugar, so they'll like it. So now what we do, the sugar's shut back in there. The sugar is going to separate the Varroa from the bees. So then when I shake it in here for roughly a minute, the Varroa mite should drop off, and then I've got a count. And what we do, because we know there's 300 bees in there, if I've got 6 mites, it means I've got a 2% Varroa mite drop. So here we go, this agitates them a little bit, but Danny, I want you to count to about 60. Can you see timing, Eve, anyway?
Yeah. Are you counting?
How far are we done?
30.
Already in there, you see a couple. If you have a look, Nave, into the thing, you'll see. Can you see?
Yeah.
Right, we're about right now. So I'm just going to pop that back on there. And now for the fun bit.
Come close, Danny.
Just going to push all these back up. Bear in mind, I've just scooped a few hundred bees out of here that I don't want to speak too soon. They are relatively calm. And what I'm going to do, when I put the other bees back on, because they're covered in nice icing sugar, they're all going to fly out and attack me, or they're going to fall in here in a nice little pile, and all the sisters are just going to... There we go, all out. And what they'll do now, they'll just drop down into the hive. See how they're already starting to clean them up. Within 10 minutes, they'll be good as gold again. So what we're going to do, we're going to fasten them up. I've annoyed them enough for tonight. Just don't want to squash them. Yeah, look, they've already started to go down.
There's one trapped under there.
Yeah, it's alright. Hey! Fucking laughing at my videos. There we go, we're all done. No smoke, no stings.